Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. And do let me know how you feel when you see Baba's messages from me so that I can, it will also encourage me. I know it's been a long time. I have not brought stories with Baba, which I used to bring before, because of late health has also been on a roller coaster ride. So today I was praying to Baba, and I usually love certain flowers which I always keep that for Baba also. And I was just sitting and talking to him, and suddenly the flower falls. Now what I was talking to him was, I was telling him, Baba, I want to just know that you're hearing me speak. And then the flower falls, and then I am like, okay, very good. And then I tell Baba, Baba, if you had not given me this indication, then I would have said that you have stopped listening to me, and you no more love me, and all that dialogues I would have told karke. And then I come, and then I sit, and I just take out, I say, okay, in some time I will channel the messages for my students, and I will start doing the cards for them. And I sit in the phone, and then I open my mobile, and then I get the same dialogue which I said Baba from one of my very old known student come friend, that nowadays you don't speak to me, you don't listen to me, you don't love me, you don't care for me. And I was like, it was as if Baba was taunting it back to me. So Baba always has his own ways of showing that you cannot hide any feelings from him, and whatever you say, if Baba is in the mood of taunting you back, then Baba does taunt you back beautifully. And with me, though, my man has unlimited times, and I actually love it. When that thing happens, I feel so special that he took out the time to show me that he is listening to me. And same way, many of you out there would have felt such special moments where you would feel that Baba is listening to you, Baba is answering you through some way or the other, Baba listens to you, Baba reacts to things. And sometimes that reactions itself will be like as if what you reacted, the same reaction you're getting back the same day. So that's how he is. Today I would suggest those who have Sai Satchitra to open the book Sai Satchitra and read just a few pages in front of him, and offer him some laddu. I don't know why I said laddu, or some maybe some peda, because I love keeping kesar peda in front of him, and bundi ke laddu. So you can keep that, and I'm sure he's going to love it. And let me tell you all one thing. Maybe now I'm recollecting why the term laddu had come. I usually from time to time leave few things on for a couple of Thursdays, just as an indication that gratitude to Baba, or something has been troubling me and I want the trouble to get sorted out. So I had left sugar, and now I realize that today is the last day of my sugar fasting, which I had done with Baba. And I had told Baba, the day that ninth Thursday gets over, I will buy laddu and I will eat. So maybe that is the reason he wants me to offer laddu, and he's asked all of you to offer him laddu also. So let's see what is the first card. Forms of divinity. That's a beautiful card, because see, divine lives in everyone. I always say there is just white light, and there's no different type of gods, goddesses, and all. There's only one white light up. There's only one divine up who takes care of us. So maybe that is what even he's telling us today, that that the divine lies in everything and everywhere. Just that you need to treat everyone with respect. Live your dreams. Baba is also saying, write down your dreams. Maybe you should sit today in front of Baba, offer him laddu, and write down whatever are your desires, and talk to him, spend some time with him, and tell him this is what you want, and this is how you're going to you are planning to work on your goals and work on your dreams. And I'm sure Baba is going to listen to them. Baba is going to sit and have that laddu with you, and Baba is going to answer your prayers in some way or the other, and you'll feel so happy that he's listening to you and he's helping you in you achieving your goals. So have a beautiful, beautiful and an amazing blessed day. Om Sai Ram.